Really? These conditions? How bad is he? Look at that. He can't even step. Can't even step on his feet. Look at him. We're going to get him now. We're going to put him in one of the gates. Get. Okay. So we've finally caught this guy. Taking him off the streets. And we're going to treat him. But he attacks, that's why we can't get too close to him. So now once he goes to sleep, we'll be taking him. Çok güçlü.
Neredesin?
There we go. Finally. Okay. So he's got a mohawk and he's got a little bit of fur on him. That's the condition he's in. Terrible condition. Look at that. That is just absolute hell on earth. That is very cruel lifestyle to live. Ağır değil mi? Okay, so this is where that black dog lives. Okay guys, so this is the second time we've caught him. We've tranked him 4 times because his skin is so thick. It's hard for the needle to actually puncture through the skin. So the first time we caught him, we put him in the cage. Someone opened the cage and he ran out. And we were only able to treat him once. So now we've got him again. This time we bought a lock. We're going to put a lock on the gate. This time we're going to make sure we treat him and then let him out once he's better. He's gone worse again. So we were just on a rampage trying to catch him. It took us ages. So look at the severity. He's been like this for so long. See all that? He's got fleas as well all over him. He's been desexed. See his ears over there? It's cut, the tag has dropped off. You can see the fleas. See his tail as well. Okay guys, so this time we got locks. So this time I got a lock for this guy. Alright. I'm gonna whack the lock in here. Like so. Alright, and then lock it so now no one can open him up. And now we can treat him properly. Ben geçeyim oraya alayım onu.
Alamıyorum abi.
Bayıldın mı?
Okay, guys.
It's
the third time now. We've got him. This time we're going to take every single precaution so he doesn't escape.
I'm sorry.
This time we're going to put him in this cage, the larger one. So we're going to shut it. We're going to lock it up. We've checked everything. He can't get away from anywhere. He can't get away. There's no openings. He can't escape. Okay, so this is the perfect place for him. He can't sneak out from anywhere. All right. Just made a mix for him too. All right. Put him on the grass a little bit. Poor guy, I feel real bad for him. I feel real sorry for him. But this is it. This is the final time that we are going to catch him and treat him. The size of his paws. Look how big they are. Size of my hand. Look. Alright guys, this is the final time now. Third time we've got this guy. He's inside. We've given him food. We've given him water. We've just given him his injections as well. Look, we've locked this up. Okay, you've seen how big he is. You've seen how massive he is. There is no way in the world he's going to fit under here. So, even so, what we're going to do is this. Alright, we're going to block it all off. Block everything off. Because this guy is just incredible. Öyle deme lan. Bir kat daha yapalım.
Bunu görmüyor musun?
Orada nasıl çıktı alttan bak aynısı buranın.
Birisi kapıyı açtı. İmkansız kardeş çok meşgul oldu.
Lan kilitli kapıya saçtı. Kilitli kapıyı açtı mı insanlar? Üstü boyut mu değiştiriyor anlamadım ben.
Yani artık bundan çıkarsa.
Bir daha bu köpeği ellemeyiz.
Okay. I made a deal. This dog escapes from this. This time, I'm done. I'm not dealing with it, and someone else can look after this guy. Because this is the third time now. Third time. Look. He was first in this cage here. This was cage number 1. He got out of this cage. Cage number 2. All right. Got out of that cage. This is cage number 3. Checked everything. There's nothing wrong. He can't jump. Look, that's higher. The fences are higher there. This is really, really high. You can't jump out of here. It's impossible. Alright guys, so hopefully tomorrow when we come here, we see him here and then we can treat him properly like the other guy. Third time lucky. Number 4. This is the 4th time. Okay. So now he's got a leash around his head. Alright, clip. Proper clip guys. Smack. Bang. Okay. He's not going anywhere. Alright. Food, water. Okay, we just came to check up on this guy. Look at this. Look what he's done. He's destroyed. He's destroyed everything in here. Very angry at us. Yeah. Wow. Dur yapma, panik yapma. Wow. Bro nasıl kırdı orayı? Serious? Nah. Okay. El Chapo has wow. Look what he's done, guys. El Chapo has escaped out of here again. He's broken this. He's broken that. He's broken all of these. I don't know what to say. I've never seen a dog like this in my entire life. She must be traumatized watching him escape out of here. So the boys were following him. So we put him to sleep for the 5th time. The boys were chasing him down while I was getting the car. I was the one that put him to sleep this time. Alright guys, we're in this street now. Okay, it's the 5th time we've caught him. And now we're going to the vet. Taking him straight to the vet. Alright guys, so getting your Chapo now. We're going to put him on the stretcher and we'll take him to the vet. Yep. It's hard to contain him. He's very, very strong. One of the strongest dogs I've come across. Okay, so this is this place he's staying in. It's not too small. He's got a bathroom place and everything. See you later. Maximum security. Okay, so El Chapo's inside. Now what we're doing is starting the first day of treatment. We're going to give him quality food, quality dry food with quality canned food, vitamins daily, everything. I'm going to leave a bone in there for him, a special bone in there. So we want his treatment to go full quality, nothing cheap. So everything is going to be maxed out, whatever I can do. Doesn't matter how much it costs for his daily inside there. I'm willing to go the extra mile, put vitamins in exactly what we were doing back at our place, but to a more extent. So that's what we're going to do, and we'll update you guys every day. Okay. Little Chapo's clean. He's got fur grown on him. He's looking good. That's his paw. He's nice. Chapo, bayağı küçülmüş.
Etle şeyle falan besleniyor ya, burada kuru mama
Lost a lot of weight, guys.
O da güzel bir şey değil. Biz hiç görmedik zaten.
He's He's got his hair back. See that? Here we go. Alright old Chapo. Bro çıkmasın ha. Yoksa dur.
Gel. Oğlum ha. Tamam oğlum. Tamam. Al desek mi? Tamam oğlum. Tamam. Çıkalım ondan sonra. Tamam. Tamam oğlum. Hadi gel. Hadi. Suyu. Gel. Tamam. Tamam. Hadi oğlum. Hadi gel. Bence oraya götürelim. Ha? Tamam. Tamam mı? Sen git buram. Gel. Okay. We just we bring old Chapo here now. He'll escape from here again. But we just bring him in here just so he can get, you know, have a bit of the feel of the area. And we'll see him back on the streets soon. He's got fur now, so he just needs to put on a little bit of weight now. Look at him. He needs to put on a bit of weight. Good 5 to 10 kilos. We've got his food here. He's got his water there. He's gonna escape. He's gonna get out of here. We're just gonna leave it like this. We already know he's gonna get out. Let him get out because at the end of the day, we just want him to be healthy and back on the streets. Okay, with El Chapo right now. He's got a lot of flies on him. There's a lot of flies. I'm just gonna spray him a little bit now. See his hair. He's got his hair back. He's looking fantastic. Okay guys, so it's early in the morning, sunrise. We're just seeing El Chapo. He's under there. He's right there. Okay, so he's very, very hard to catch. I'm getting the boys to now organize the needles and everything. I just woke up. So I'm gonna keep a lookout on him. And then once the boys are ready, I'm gonna run downstairs and we've got a motorbike. We've got one guy on foot, so when we shoot him with the dart, we've got 2 people chasing him plus the car because he's very, very, very, very, very hard to catch. And then after that, we might have to dart him the second time because he doesn't go down for one dart. It takes at least 2-3 darts to get this guy down. So that's what we're gonna do. Stay tuned, guys. Hopefully we can catch him this time. Take that collar that's tight around his neck, give him his final injections as well. And that's it, and then he can go on with his life. He's looking great, he's looking awesome, he's put on so much weight. All right guys, stay tuned. Number 3, guys. This is the third shot. He's on the run. Okay guys, so we've got one more left. So it normally takes 4 shots to get this guy down. So he's now stuck in here. He's in here now, but he's not down yet. He's just laying there on the side. So we've got one more needle. Normally we shoot one dog once and that's it, he's out. But this guy here, oh, it's on another level. Drops, mange, vitamins. I'm gonna do it all in one go. He's actually snoring, guys. Okay, so we got him. He's vomited. I'm gonna do all the injections. Oh, bunu. Ellerim bir şey kötü oldu ya. Get this done on him. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Deb. Süpersin. Okay. That's the vitamins, guys. And
Çok sıcak değil mi?
that's the mange.
Yes.
Okay. Mange, vitamins, done.
Tasmayı anlat bro.
I'm trying to take this collar off him now, but it's too tight around the neck. So I'm gonna get a knife and cut it, because it's actually choking him.
Yoruldun mu? Gireyim mi devreye?
Hı?
Gelin mi ben?
Okay. See that, guys? Şimdi nefes alabilir. So that. So other than that, his skin, his hair, he's looking great. This is where all the shit flows from, guys. So we're in here now. This is it. So next time you guys see El Chapo, you're gonna see him a lot better, a lot better than he is right now. So we've done our part now, recording 4 shots, and now he's down. So we'll show you the rest soon, guys. Woo. Alright guys, look at my feet. This is where the dam is, look. Oh, disgusting. But it had to be done, so we had to do this. We achieved helping kill Chapo.
Chapo's last form. He's looking very good. Yeah. He's looking very good.
Hello, El Chapo. Hello, mate. This is his latest form. He's got all of his fur back. He heard my voice and now he's on the run. There we go.